And the sneaker that I picked up for today is Flick. Tell the truth. Tell the truth. Let me just glide in that thing real quick. You feel me? Alright, so what's poppin', everybody? It's your man, Chris Briggs, back again with another video. And as you guys already know, we are back again with another banger, you feel what I'm saying? Now listen, when it comes to today's video, I have another sneaker pickup, another video, another pair of sneakers. Hashtag it at me on the Twitters. Let me make sure the light is right, bro, because if the light's not right and I go in post-production and I'm editing this bad boy and I realize that the light's not right, best believe your boy is going to be aggravated. Now, like I said, we have another sneaker pickup, and this one is going to be a big pick up. But before we get into this video, please go ahead and check out the socials. That means the Instagram and the Twitter. That is going to be at IMCHRISBRIGGS and at IMCHRISBRIGGS2. Check out that second. Also, check out the main channel, bro. Well, not the main channel, but the main Instagram. Check out the main Instagram, bro. Also, check out the second Instagram, because if you want to, like, you know what I'm saying, follow a little bit more personals, you know what I'm saying? That's the one that you really want to go to, and you get a quick little follow back. But when it comes to this video, bro, the sneaker pickup, just a little bit of backstory, bro. Initially, I got up in the morning, I hopped on the sneakers app, you feel me? Trying to, you know, secure the goodies, and after a hard fought battle, I took a strong L. But I'm not gonna lie, I didn't go out like I didn't go out like no girl, you feel me? I just took an L. It happens. Sometimes you want the shoes and you don't get the shoes. You don't fret, you don't trip. You just take the L and move on. So I took the L and move on. Then ended up at the right place at the right time, and I ended up lucking up on them. I don't know. I guess I just have to say thank you to the sneaker gods out there, you know? Thanks. I really do appreciate you. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into that thing, you feel me? Smash that like button for me breaking necks this whole quarantine. Now, I'm not gonna lie, bro. As soon as I, like, pull up the bag, you're gonna know what shoe it is, so I guess we have to do another countdown, okay? Alright, so without further ado, you already know we got 3, 2, 1. Oh, here we go. Yeah. Yeah. First and foremost, another Champs bag. Now, oof. 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 That was a good thumbnail. Now, as you guys can see, we have this black and red Nike box right here. Like I said, smash that like button for your boy dropping heaters all quarantine. And the sneaker that I picked up for today is Flick. The Air Jordan 1 Smoke Gray. You feel me? Yes. Ooh wee. The Air Jordan 1 Smoke Gray. Who would have thought that I would have these in my hands right now? I'm sure you didn't think that. I'm sure you did. I'm sure today when you got on YouTube and you saw this notification, you didn't think that your boy had these. You didn't think that your boy would have pulled these out the box. But I did. I sure did. Now the sneaker pickup for today is going to be the Air Jordan 1 Smoke Gray. You know, I just gotta inspect them a little bit. I gotta do what I gotta do. I'm gonna keep it real. This is a pretty interesting shoe, bro. It's definitely interesting. And, you know, kind of like how it's been with a lot of shoes lately, bro, it's hit and miss for me. On the one hand, the colorway is really clean. It's honestly one of the cleanest Air Jordan 1 colorways I've seen thus far. On the other hand, the quality is fire. And when you hear like my gripe about this shoe, you're probably gonna think I'm really picky. You're definitely gonna think I'm really picky. The only thing about this shoe that I'm wary of. The only thing that I'm wary of is that the toe is suede. That's it. That's it, bro. It's just that the toe is in that suede. You guys are probably sitting there thinking like, come on, Chris, bro. The toe is suede, bro. It's cool. But it's a gray suede. So if you wear your shoes and you like to wear your shoes like I do, but you also like to preserve your shoes, you already know that that gray suede is going to get dirty mad quick. So you're going to have to protect them with Crep Protect or like sneaker deodorizers or whatever you can use. But in my opinion, bro, I don't really trust those things. You know what I mean? But I'm not going to lie. When it comes to the colorway in general, this is definitely fire. One of my favorite parts of the shoe, that wing right here. How like when you look at the wing is in like that red, and then it also has that black Jordan Wings logo. I think that is super cool. Now, one thing that I do love also is that, like, bro, do you see the quality of that? Do you see the quality of that? Like, check that out. That's what I'm talking about. That's what you call good quality. Like, that is great quality right there. Like, look at this. Look at this, bro. Straight up. Look at that. Look at that leather. That is good quality. Also, it being hit off with like a black Nike swoosh, but the black Nike swoosh is in like this dark smoke gray and it's suede out. That's fire. And also looking at the toe cap right here, not even the toe cap, but the toe box, you can already see the wrinkles. You can already see the tumbles. And, oh, almost dropped the goodies. That kind of brings me into another thing that I like about Air Jordan 1s. It's almost like my Royals. My Royals are back there. But the thing about the Royals is when you saw them in person for the first time, the leather wasn't tumbled at all. The leather was just completely straight. It was like a flat leather. The only thing that was tumbled about the shoe was the toe cap. But the more you wore the shoe, the more tumbled the leather got. This leather is already like pre-tumbled in a way that it's automatically ready for you to wear the shoe to add more tumbled effect on the shoe. Now, a clean sneaker with that tumbled leather just makes the shoe look that much more premium and that much more fire. So when it comes to the sneaker pickup for today, I had to give it to the Air Jordan 1 Smoke Gray. Definitely a dope sneaker, bro. I've been buying a lot of stuff, bro. Please go ahead and smash that like button for me. But when it comes to the Air Jordan 1 Smoke Gray, how do you guys feel about them? Do you guys think that these are dope or trash? Let me know in the comment section down below. I'm going to get that review and that on foot review out to you guys as soon as possible, because there is still more stuff that I have to do, bro. These pickups just keep coming and coming and coming and coming and coming, and my bank account just keeps on send me messages like, bro, what are you doing? Relax. You gotta stop. But without further ado, thank y'all for watching as always. I really appreciate it, and all I gotta say is, hey, blessings, blessings, blessings. More bangers coming soon. And Chris Briggs signing out. Yiddy! Yeah. Review coming soon. You bet not miss it. Review coming soon.